This is Tim Bryce with my column titled Tim's Crash Course on Ethics 101. We all know basically what is right and wrong, but ethics requires a person with strength and character to implement them, something that is somewhat uncommon in this day and age. I'm not going to tell you to keep your word or to be honest and lead an upright and responsible life. You should know this already. The question is, do you have the fortitude to do so? Perhaps these simple guidelines will help. Number 1, learn to say no. It is an incredibly powerful word and something we do not say enough of. At times it may seem awkward and uncomfortable to say, but learn to say no nonetheless. Number 2, avoid politics and religion in the workplace. Employers do not want to disrupt the harmony of the workplace, consequently avoid such discussion. However, once you are off-site, you are free to discuss whatever you want. We live in a free country. Number 3, go the extra mile. Avoid the temptation to take the easy way out. Shortcuts may seem nice, but following the right path is more rewarding in the long run. Number 4, write a code of conduct defining how employees are to behave on the job. Number 5, recognize and reward ethical behavior and penalize bad behavior. Number 6, report indiscretions either internally within your company or to external sources such as the Better Business Bureau. As a tip, make sure it is well documented. Don't want to report it? Then don't complain or whine about it to others. In other words, shut up. Number 7, participate in and promote organized discussions on ethics, either in the office, at home, in school, in civic groups, on the internet, or wherever. Raise the consciousness of ethics. Number 8, last but not least, lead by example. Become a role model for how you want others to behave. And God, no, don't let the government get involved with teaching ethics. That would be like allowing the inmates to run the asylum. Friends, keep the faith. This is Tim Bryce in Palm Harbor, Florida. Follow me on the internet at timbryce.com.